The weather is one of the most important and easiest topics to talk about in English. People all around the world talk about the weather every day because it is simple, natural, and useful in daily life. When you meet someone, especially if you are a beginner, you may not know what to say. In this situation, talking about the weather is a perfect way to start a conversation. You can say, "How is the weather today?" or "Is it hot outside?" These questions are easy to understand and they help you begin speaking without feeling nervous. Talking about the weather also helps you build confidence because you use simple words and short sentences. Over time, you can add more details and speak more naturally. This topic is very helpful for beginners because it is practical and you can use it every day in real life. There are many different ways to ask about the weather, and learning these questions will make your English stronger. For example, you can say, "What is the weather like today?" or "Is it sunny or cloudy?" You can also ask, "Is it raining now?" or "Is it windy today?" These are very common questions that people use in everyday conversations. If you are talking to someone from another place, you can ask, "How is the weather in your city?" or "Is it hot there today?" These questions help you connect with people and share information. Asking questions is very important because it helps you continue the conversation. The more questions you ask, the more you practice English. This will help you improve your speaking and listening skills at the same time. When someone asks you about the weather, you can answer in a simple and clear way. For beginners, short answers are very good. For example, you can say, "It is sunny," or "It is cold." These answers are easy and correct. As you improve, you can give longer answers. For example, you can say, "It is very hot today, so I am staying inside." Or, "It is cold and windy, so I need a jacket." These longer answers help you express your ideas better and sound more natural. You can also add your feelings by saying, "I like this weather," or "I do not like cold weather." This makes your conversation more interesting. Always try to speak slowly and clearly, and do not be afraid of making mistakes because mistakes help you learn. Learning weather vocabulary is very important if you want to speak clearly and confidently. Some common weather words are sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, hot, and cold. You can also learn more words like warm, cool, stormy, foggy, humid, and dry. These words help you describe the weather in more detail. For example, you can say, "It is cloudy and cool today," or "It is very hot and humid." You can also combine words to make better sentences, such as, "It is cold and windy," or "It is warm and sunny." The more words you learn, the better you can express your ideas. Try to learn a few new words every day and use them in your sentences. Practice is very important because it helps you remember the words and use them correctly. You can also talk about the weather in the past, which means talking about yesterday or last week. This is very useful when you want to describe your experiences or tell a story. For example, you can say, "Yesterday it was very hot," or "Last night it was cold and windy." You can also ask questions like, "Was it sunny yesterday?" or "Was it raining last night?" These sentences help you practice the past tense in English. You can also give more details, such as, "Yesterday it rained all day, so I stayed at home and watched TV." This type of sentence helps you connect ideas and speak more naturally. Talking about past weather is a great way to improve your grammar and your speaking skills at the same time. Talking about future weather is also very important because it helps you make plans and talk about what will happen. You can say, tomorrow it will be sunny, or it will be cold in the evening. You can also use another structure and say, it is going to rain tomorrow. These expressions are very common in English. You can ask questions like, will it be hot tomorrow? Or, is it going to rain this weekend? These questions are useful when you are planning your day or your weekend. For example, if the weather is good, you can go to the park or the beach. If the weather is bad, you may decide to stay at home. Learning how to talk about future weather will help you speak more naturally and confidently. You can also use the weather to talk about your daily life and activities. For example, you can say, it is raining, so I will stay at home, or it is sunny, so I will go for a walk. These sentences are very common in everyday conversations because people often talk about the weather when they decide what to do. You can also say, it is very cold, so I am wearing a jacket, or it is hot, so I am drinking cold water. These sentences help you connect the weather with your actions. This is an important skill in English because it helps you speak in a more natural and complete way. Practice using these types of sentences every day. Another great way to improve your English is to practice talking about the weather every day. When you wake up in the morning, look outside and describe the weather. You can say, it is sunny, or it is cloudy and cool. You can also write a short sentence in a notebook, like, today is warm and sunny. This daily practice will help you remember new words and use them correctly. You can also listen to weather reports in English on TV, YouTube, or your phone. Try to understand what the speaker is saying and repeat the sentences. This will help you improve your listening and pronunciation skills. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. It is also very important to ask follow-up questions in a conversation. After you ask, how is the weather today? You can continue by asking, do you like this weather? Or, what do you usually do when it is rainy? These questions help you make the conversation longer and more interesting. For example, someone may say, I like sunny weather because I can go outside and relax, or I do not like rainy weather because I cannot go out. These answers help you learn new vocabulary and expressions. Asking more questions will help you become a better speaker and improve your communication skills in English. Sometimes the weather changes during the day, and it is important to know how to describe these changes. For example, you can say, it was cold in the morning, but now it is warm, or it started raining in the afternoon. These sentences help you describe what happened during the day. You can also say, the weather changed quickly, or it was sunny and then it became cloudy. These expressions are very useful in daily conversations. They help you speak more clearly and describe your day in more detail. Practice using these sentences to improve your fluency. Finally, remember that learning English takes time, patience, and practice. Do not be afraid to speak, even if your sentences are simple. Talking about the weather is a great way to start because it is easy and useful. Try to speak every day, even for a few minutes. Use simple sentences at first and then try to make longer sentences. Listen to English, repeat what you hear, and practice with other people if possible. Step by step, you will become more confident and fluent. Always remember that practice is the key to success, and every small step will help you improve your English.